It's February 4th and we are traveling to Maine for a work trip. It's about 20 degrees and we're ready to go. So we sat in the loading dock area. I see where it's kind of clear there. Etna, Maine, at a harvest host, which is not open for business to the public tonight, but we are going to meet the owners and they are letting us park here overnight. Wicked cold, it's 8 degrees, windows a little frosted up. It's not pretty in here, but for winter camping, we have electricity, which we're happy about. We have the curtain up at the cab. It is a help because the cab is really cold. We have a little electric heater. There is a heated pet mat under that bed, and this rug has a heater. We have to bring jugs of water because we're winterized. The only disadvantage with this heater is it goes off after 8 hours. And that really, 10 hours would be better. But it's terrific because the floor will stay warm. We do have those pipe insulators, and we put those all at the edge of the slide because of the draft. Because these really aren't suitable for 8 degrees. And for the bathroom, our freshwater tank has RV antifreeze in it. We do use wipes for our hands and such. But as far as flush, we use the toilet. We have antifreeze in the fresh water. So we flush with antifreeze. And then we have the sink in this bathroom is connected to, it dumps into the black tank. So we will use this for washing up. And then when we get to back home, we just dump the black tank. So the other tip for winterized, you heat water up on your gas stove. And you just fill the sink. It's a little hot. You can let it cool off. And then you just do what you normally do with the hot water running out of the tap. Have a glass of not hot water, and you have everything you need right here without running water out of the tap. Everything you need for a quick wash up. Then once you're done, I put in the RV antifreeze just to fill the drain, just so there's no water in there. After the winter, driving in the winter, it makes sense to do a quick wash.